VictorGo updates. The VictorGo app privacy has been enhanced to align with the 6.1 release. Log into VictorGo using the appropriate credentials. For this demo, I am using VictorGo on an iOS iPad. A certificate message may be displayed. Click the Accept option. A biometric authentication message will be displayed. Click the Enable or Disable options. Once you have logged in, a new privacy notice will be displayed. You must read the privacy notice and click Accept to access VictorGo functionality. A new privacy menu option has also been added. You can view this by navigating to the 3 lines menu icon in the top left corner and selecting the privacy option highlighted on screen. The privacy notice will be displayed again. If you decline the privacy notice, you will automatically be logged out of VictorGo. To use VictorGo functionality, you must log in again and accept the privacy notice on screen.